Now the topic before us is online transaction using Flipkart. Most of us many times do online shopping through sites such as Flipkart, Amazon, eBay, or any other e-commerce site. Now the topic before us is online transaction using Flipkart. What is Flipkart? Flipkart is an online store where we can purchase different types of products and services such as digital cameras, mobile phones, computers, types of electronic gadgets, printers, books, other goods. Then after purchasing the item, we have to ultimately make the payment. And the payment can be made through internet banking, debit card, credit card, or there is also the facility of cash on delivery when the product is to be delivered to the customer. To purchase the goods on Flipkart, we have to follow certain steps. First of all, we must have mobile phone or computer which is having active internet connection, and then the steps have to be followed to purchase goods. In the mobile or computer, we have to use web browser. Web browser is already installed in our computer or mobile, which may be Firefox, Chrome, or Internet Explorer. In the address bar, we type www.flipkart.com and press enter. When we press enter, the home page of Flipkart appears as shown in the figure. Then we have to log in, which is all shown here. The picture of the picture which may be appearing before you in your screen may differ from time to time as the company may change the same. If you are already having account with Flipkart, you may enter here your email address or mobile number. Then you have to enter the password which you have already made for the same. And then you have to log in here. Sometimes you may not be having Flipkart account. Then you have to create your new account with Flipkart with the help of mobile email. Then you have to enter password and sign up. When you sign up or log in, the home screen which may be as shown in the picture will appear before you. Then there are different types of products which are being sold by the e-commerce site Flipkart. You can select any of the type which you desire to want to purchase. There are large variety of the products which are on sale on any e-commerce site. You can look for the particular brand of product which you may be interested. When you click on the item you want to purchase, and then you will add the same, click on add to cart. That is first to you select the product, then to select add to cart. After selecting so many items over a single product, when you decided that no more things are to be purchased, you go to your cart and proceed for payment. The all the products which you have added to your cart will be shown before you for your review before making payment. As you can see that in this cat only a one product has been selected, which is has been shown in the screen. Then Flipkart offers a wide variety of options for you to make payment, which may be the you may use choose debit card or credit card, net banking, cash on delivery, or gift voucher. to make the payment. You need to enter the appropriate details depending upon the type of payment option you choose, and then you have to click pay to initiate the payment. Depending on the payment method you have selected, that is credit card, debit card or internet banking, additional window may open and you have to complete the relevant procedures to complete the online transaction. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.